Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and greetings to all of the friends across the globe. First of all, thanks to Almighty and to SIBEC members who has been very inspirational things to the community during these times. With the topic I have chosen is, which I am very strong in that one, the interior finishing and how the things are. First of all, we have a different relationship in the construction and interior finishing. So what is interior finishing? So in construction, basically we say that 40% is on the structure and the remaining is the finishing. We all know that one. When we build a house, we build the structure and we do the interior decoration and other fit outs and these things. So how this market is happening in Saudi Arabia? Well, everybody is talking about a huge opportunity here in Saudi Arabia, but many people fail to realize that this segment is growing phenomenally in this region. And unfortunately, very few Indian players or very few other known people from India who's taking care of this one. Let me segmentize or the factors I'm going to do this one, then I will take some question and answers. First of all, the market. Yeah. If you look into the market size, basically, um, the market is really growing actually. If you look into the current scenario and what is coming up in the 2030 or beyond that one, it is, you can say it is doubled, or you can say it is more than the what we expected actually. So right now we are at 3.8 billion, and we are expected to grow nearly about 5 billion US dollars of this size actually. This actually the market research from Adore, and they give the details about this one. So when we go to the, I'm not able to access my, hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, something wrong with my presentation. 1 minute. Okay, I got it. So what is really driving this market actually? The driving market is very uh, very sincere, and we can say that the young generation and the large number of working force, and definitely the um, operator, can I'm not able to access my slide PowerPoint. Can you help me out?
Sir, you do one thing. You just share the presentation. We will present it out.
You have the presentation already. I shared it with you.
Okay. Admin.
Okay, sir, I will share.
Okay. Sir, you just disconnect the screen, sir.
Okay, so let us go to the segment. So why the market is growing is a very interesting thing, because a lot of new force working in the market, the local market especially, and growing number of youngsters. They see around the world and how they look into the living standards across the globe is definitely adding value to the market. So this is one of the key factor what really driving this tool actually. Another main factor is okay, I got it already. So let me go back. Okay, so the market, what drives the market basically? So now we are talking about Saudi World Cup 2034 and Riyadh Expo 2030. Can anybody imagine what number of percentage of the occupancy rate in Riyadh itself during these seasons, except for summer? Even summer, we have around 70 to 80% occupancy in the hotel. And during the Riyadh season, the peak, the hotel occupancies are almost a 90%, which is very high in the region. So this is also pushing the market to build more hotels. And what is we are seeing some of the projects, we have almost around, I think unofficially we can say that 300 new hotels are coming up uh, before end of 2030. So you consider that each hotel has a minimum of 100 rooms or more. So it is almost around 300,000 plus. So this is the key factor why we are talking too much about the interior finishing and the market division in this segment. So again, the government is very keen on taking the quality of the products and other things and all. So this is one of the seasons. So what we are looking at the major projects. The right now these are the key project, and don't ask me why I am not shown the NEOM project, because NEOM is in a different segment and different dynamics. So I'm not keen on that right now. But even the Russian front is in Riyadh, which is mainly focusing on the local market for the real estate, residential markets, compounds, and community livings. Even the foreigners are now ready to invest on that one, and already they are investing on that one. So let us talk about Kidia. The Kidia is one of the much talked project, which is almost coming to handover in a couple of months. So this is mainly for the entertainment, and we are looking for many new hotels and other high-end lounges in that one. Again, Red Sea Global is the major company where we are expecting huge number of resorts and other things and all. It is equally talked and hyped along with NEOM. Now, the RIA company is mainly focusing on the Riyadh outskirts and other things and all, which is we have right now the project called project in the RIA, which is expands almost in the valley of Sadia, almost around south to north, 50 kilometers length, which has right now they are talking about seven-star hotels and 50 five-star hotels. Already many Indian players are come here. Taj is here, and other major hotels from India are already playing their major part. And of course, from US, many hotels are already participating in this one. So these are the key developments, and they have already the golf course. It is already operational, and the major golf tournaments are coming up here. So this
Sir.
is one of the major project which we are focusing on also.
Sir, apology
So
for
what we are
interrupting in
come
between.
come again?
Sir, actually, both the peoples are sharing the same presentation. You just stop the screen sharing. From our end, we will share the presentation.
All right, yeah, that's good. So can you go to the segment, please? Go next.
Admin, go next.
Next segment.
Next.
Go to this next. Next. Yeah. So next thing. Yeah, hold on. So now what is the design market we are talking about? The market segment is actually mainly from Riyadh side, actually. The Riyadh has huge potential. Being a capital city, it has a huge potential. And we are talking about Makkah and Medina being a religious capital of the world. And now the government has already opened private equity participation. You can buy real estate in Makkah and Medina as a Muslim. So this is another opportunity for many hotels or many pilgrims are coming, and they are investing, and the need is growing and every year. So other than that, we have the Eastern Province, Dammam, and rest of Saudi Arabia, which is mainly focusing on north, like NEOM project where it is happening, and south is less concentrated. This is the key thing about it. So where is the market outlook? We are talking about it. We are mainly covering on the commercial and the residential. So the commercial, what I mainly focused is, and the hotels, high worthy private residentials and palaces, Again, we come to the the private institutions or the government institution palaces, these kind of things. And residential, of course, we are talking about home decor and other things and all. One of the major thing is the which I talked about is the hotels. The hotels, as I said, in Riyadh itself, there are we are expecting more than 300 and plus. So this plus the old hotels, the already existing hotels. So we are talking about the new hotels and as well as the renovation. So this is one of the major things we are focusing on. See, uh, you must be wondering, so what we have, the thing actually, the average rate on the present day, it's something around 150 to $200 per night, and the peak seasons are the demand season in Riyadh itself. So you can imagine the revenue, how the hotels are making and other things and all. So when we say that interiors, so we can cover from low end to the high end. It is always the conscious. Next slide, please. Okay, now let us talk about the hotel industry. So this is another report from my Mac. So how the growth is happening for the next a couple of years and where we are reaching it actually from 49 to $100 billion. So the growth is consistent and very steady until we reach the World Cup. I think this will eminently boost the economy in many different ways. When we talk about interiors, it is not just about only one segment. It has its own industry. It has its own decorative partners, the architects, the interior designers, and everybody are pushing to substantiate this industry and this segment in a very luxurious way in Saudi Arabia. The next slide, please. Next, please. Yeah. So now go back. So the home furnishing, this is another industry. The hotel industry is one part of the thing. This is one of the main launches which I did for one of the prestigious hotel. So this is partly it is my job, and I don't claim it. It's completely. It's partly it's my job. So next slide, please. So the finishing market. So why it is growing in a very high and healthy trend. Basically, when the income group is getting higher and higher, the people are looking for the luxurious life and luxurious products and quality of living. So we always talk about designing into different styles. We have contemporary, we have a classical one, and we have neoclassic, and we have many other things. So these all are pushing the industry into different products and different dimensions. And people have the culture to decorate their home quite often and almost every 3 years or 5 years. And they used to change it, the furnitures quite very often. So this really pushes the market, not only for the new ventures as well as for the refurbishing and renovation and other things and all. So this is a kind of a market which really talking about it. Next slide, please. So these are some of my projects which I did it, and we can share it later on. Next one, please. So the products, I think I would have to have a personal discussion on this one because we can have different products because even from a pin to a complete what do you call the decorating the whole house, we can cover everything other than what do you call the fit outs, then finishing other things and all. We can cover many things, especially from the furnitures, curtains, your table, your chairs, and even your bed linen, your carpets, your new ideas about decorating your own house, the lighting segments. So there are many segments here which I can talk even for a day about this one. But my key idea is to make it open for the players, those who are already in the market or already in the line of business. they can have that one into a different segment. Next one, please. Next, yeah. Yeah, these are some of the ideas, but it's really, talking about the products. Okay, next, please. So this is the idea how the standard of living is going on, some of the classical way of doing things.